Welcome to Ben Adam official YouTube channel. Our focus today is on burning, scraping and cutting cow trotters for cooking. They are preparing cow trotters by singing, scraping, cleaning and buttering them before cooking. Across many culinary cultures around the world, traditional nose-to-tail cooking ensures that no part of the animal goes to waste. Today, we are taking a closer look at the highly detailed and labor-intensive process. The traditional preparations of cow and ox trotters. While it requires immense patience and skill, the final result is some of the most flavorful and gelatin-rich dishes in the culinary history. The process begins immediately after the harvest of the animal. The leg and skin are carefully set aside for specialized cleaning. Because the outer layer is covered in dense air, chefs utilize an ancient technique of fire searing. By passing the pieces directly over a controlled flame, the air is completely burnt off. This step is crucial as the instant heat also helps to slightly shrink the skin, locking on the natural collagen. Once the singing is complete, the exterior is coated in a thin layer of black ash. To remove this, artisans use specialized sharp scraping tools. With firm, precise strokes, they peel away the burnt outer layer, revealing the perfectly clean golden skin beneath. Following the scraping process, the pieces are transferred to a deep well station. They undergo multiple rounds of rigorous rinsing and scraping and clean water to ensure absolute purity before cooking. Next comes the heavy fabrication phase. Because cow bones are incredibly dense, standard kitchen and knife are not enough. Preparers use heavy-duty cleavers or specialized hacksaw blades to cut through the thick bone structure, ensuring every piece is completely prepped for the pot. With the intense preparation finally complete, these nutrient-dense ingredients are ready to be slow-cooked for hours. Cow trotters, also called cow heels or beef feet, are not known for a wide variety of vitamins, but they are an excellent source of vitamins B12 and B6. Vitamin B12 helps form red blood cells and supports nerve function. Vitamin B6 helps with metabolism, brain development, and healthy immune system. Collagen is structured protein that supports skin elasticity, hair growth, and joint health. Zinc is an essential mineral that boosts the immune system and helps the body heal. Selenium provides a powerful antioxidant that protects the cells from the damage, transforming tough connective tissue into rich, savory delicacy. The legs are meticulously portioned into uniform 2-inch segments. This specific size is intentional. It exposes the rich marrow inside and The iron decay throughout the cleaning process is applied to the remaining hide. It is a testament to culinary patience where hard work yields unforgettable flavor and allows the heat to penetrate evenly during the long, slow simmering process. Ready to eat now! Come on, let's go! Want to try it? Added garlic, onion, ginger salt, coriander, pepper, and add more to taste as you like it.